राज भवन गवर्नर हाउस जहां पर 2025 के मिस वर्ल्ड फातिहीन के लिए तकरीब का इनकाद किया गया है।
Raj Bhawan honors the inspiring journeys of Miss World 2025 winner, Miss Suchata Chuangsri, and her other winner colleagues, each of whom embody courage, compassion, and beauty. We wish you all the best in your future endeavors to make life on this earth more meaningful. Your stories uplift and inspire just as your presence here elevates this celebration. As the spotlight shines on elegance and excellence, I wish to draw our attention to a quite and powerful initiative, a revolution of values rooted in our soil, envisioned by our Honorable Governor. That is the use of revival of the leaf plate, which is placed before you, and you also at the welcome board, you also seen leaf plates have been decorated. It's a heritage of our culture to serve food on these leaf plates. For centuries, India has embraced leaf plates as a simple, sustainable way of living, natural, biodegradable, and respect to the environment. This initiative is more than a project of Honorable Governor. It's a philosophy in action. It upholds environmental sustainability while restoring dignity to indigenous communities. Each leaf plate carries a message of harmony with nature, with heritage, and with humanity. As a thematic tribute to this initiative, today's high tea for all our guests have been served exclusively on leaf plates, a conscious gesture of Honorable Governor that reflects our commitment to eco-conscious living. I also commend the government of Telangana on behalf of Raj Bhawan for successfully hosting this global event with elan and panache. Now, Telangana is not just a destination because of this event. It's a cultural experience and emotion. Let this evening be a celebration not only of elegance, but of impact and of intention, for true beauty lies not just in how we appear, but in what we uphold. Thank you. Jai Telangana and Jai Bharat.
Thank you so much, sir, for presenting the opening remarks. Ladies and gentlemen, as Sir mentioned, yes, Miss World 2025 was a month-long celebration in Telangana, and it featured historical tours, cultural showcases, and a global platform for advocacy and empowerment, and finally concluded in a dazzling culmination of grace, beauty, and strength. It was indeed a super grand, star-studded finale, marking a defining moment in Hyderabad's emergence as a global events destination. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I request Miss World 2025, Miss Thailand Opal Suchata, to please step forward and address the gathering.
Good evening, Your Excellencies, honorable guests, and all ladies and gentlemen that are here with us tonight. Thank you so much for the honor in the name of the Miss World organization for welcoming all of us with such warmth and love. And big congratulations on the State Formation Day. It is an honor for us to be here witnessing this important day of yours. Since I first stepped in the land of Telangana, I can feel the warmth not only from the sun but also from the people here that are welcoming us with so much love and big smiles on their face. And every time people ask me what I feel spending almost a month in Telangana, I always tell them I feel so alive. Because to me, the culture, the traditions, everything makes me feel so alive and it makes me feel so much warmth and so much love. And I can really feel the beauty of Telangana through the places and the people that are here with us. To me, Telangana is a place where it blends the combination of culture and progress and innovation. It is a place where there is beauty in everything, whether it's the people, it's the places, or the food. And it's also a place where world-class medical and innovation and technology really transform the lives of the people here, especially in healthcare and well-being, which is really close to my heart. So I would really love to express my deepest gratitude to everyone here in Telangana for welcoming us with such warmth and allowing us to have one of the best months we could ever have in our lives. And I will promise to always keep this memory I've made and shared with my girls here in Telangana forever in my heart. And for me, Telangana is a place where the world needs to experience firsthand. Therefore, I would like to invite everyone to visit Telangana to see the beauty and the charm of it. Jai Telangana, Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Miss World 2025 there, ladies and gentlemen, always so eloquent. Thank you so much for talking to us. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I request Miss World first runner-up, Miss Ethiopia Hase Dereye, to please step forward and address the gathering.
Good evening, Excellencies and Honorable Guests. My name is Hase